Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maria Yenga. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make this simple pinafore top. If this is your first time watching my videos, thank you for tuning in. Kindly subscribe and let's get into today's tutorial. I used leftover fabric of African print. You can use any fabric of your choice. I started by folding my fabric into two, but when you're folding it, make sure it measures up to the shoulder to shoulder measurement divided by 2. Go ahead and fold it and we start with the next measurements. Go ahead and mark 3.5 inches for the neckline, 3.5 inches. And then downwards, go ahead and measure 1.5 or 2 inches. I marked 1.5 inches for the lower part of the neckline. Go ahead and mark it there, and then you connect the 2 points to make your neckline. This is the back part of our top. Next, we measure the shoulder to shoulder measurement divided by 2. What you get, mark it right there. Place your tape measure like you see me doing, guys. Shoulder to shoulder measurement divided by 2, what you get, mine was 7, and then I marked it right there. Then from the shoulder, we are going to go downwards by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, and then get your ruler and then make a line to connect your shoulder to the neckline. Next, we go ahead and measure the full length of our top. Go ahead and measure the waist, guys. The waist, your waist, but not below the umbilical cord, because this is a crop top. Go ahead and mark it right there. Mine was 16, so I marked 16 inches. After, you are going to add 3 inches for the hem folding. So I added 3 inches from the 16 inches, which made it 19 inches, guys. Add 3 inches for the hem allowance. After marking that, go ahead and get your ruler and mark a straight line to mark the full length of your top. So we are going to transfer what we have on the shoulder line, that measurement. Mine was 7. We are going to get it and transfer it downwards on our full hem, like you see me doing, guys. Go ahead and mark the 7 inches or whatever inches you have right down there to your full hem. And now we get the ruler and connect the shoulder point to the full hem, that point at the waist that you've just marked. We continue to make a straight line. And now we are going to get our scissor and we cut out what we've just drafted on the fabric. We cut out our back part of the top. So for the front part of our top, we are going to fold our fabric into 2 again, and then we bring the other one that we've just cut out, place it on top of the one you've just folded, like make it be balancing. So we are going to get our scissor and cut it out, following the front part that we've just placed on the folded fabric. Go ahead and cut it out, and then we are going to continue to cut out, to draft the neckline for the front part of our top. Go ahead and put your back part of the top aside, or fold it, take it away. Remember, on the neckline we marked 3.5 inches. Go ahead and mark it right there, but downwards we are going to mark 4.5 inches or 5 inches. Make sure it's wide enough for your head to enter, to pass through, because we are not going to put a zipper on this top. So go ahead and mark the neckline, a curve for the neckline like you see me doing, guys, and then after, you go ahead and cut it out. Also mark the 1 inch from the shoulder going downwards for the shoulder slope, and after you cut it out like we did on the first part. Moving on, we are going to cut out 4 bands. So the length of each band will be 25 inches. So measure 25 inches long, and then each band will be 4 inches wide. Go ahead and mark 25 inches like you see me doing, and then you mark 4 inches wide as well for each band. So the band will be 4 inches wide like you see me doing. Go ahead and measure it 4 inches, but on fold it will be 2 inches. Then the sewing allowance will be like 0.25 inches. That means your band will be less than 2 inches wide on fold, which is okay. So go ahead and mark 4 inches here, guys, like you see me doing. For any questions, please put it in the comment section. I'll always be there to answer, as we always do, guys. Any questions, I'm always available to respond. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment and share, and thank you so much for always watching my tutorials, guys. So next we are going to go ahead and cut out the 4 bands that we've just marked. Go ahead and cut them out, and then hold one of the bands and fold it like this, right sides inside and wrong side on top. And then after folding it like that, you can give it an iron if you want, but it's okay even if you don't iron it for now. Then after folding it, go ahead and make a stitch right there from the upper part going downwards and leave one side open. Go ahead and do the same for the other bands as well. Next we get our 2 pieces for the top. Place them right sides facing each other, like you see me doing, right sides facing each other, and then go ahead and make a stitch, run a stitch to secure the shoulders, guys. Connect the shoulders, the 2 pieces, arrange them so well, like, and then make a stitch right there, like you see me showing you guys. Next we are going to bring in our facing. You can cut out the facing from the fabric you have, from the leftover fabric you have, but me, I wanted to use this facing. Go ahead and use what you want, and then secure the neckline. Put it around the neckline. You can even put the pins, and then you go ahead and make a stitch all around to secure the neckline, like you see me showing you guys. Go ahead and fold it, and then place it on the neckline all around, and then you make a stitch. Also go ahead and turn your top to the wrong side, and then you're going to fold your top from one side, from one end. Go ahead and fold it like you see me doing, and then fold it again, like fold it once and twice, 2 times, and then you run a stitch to secure the sides of your top. Do the same for the other side. So guys, we are going to secure the full hem of our top now. Go ahead and fold it by 0.5 inches or 0.25 inches. After that, you're going to fold it by 2 inches, like you see me doing, guys. So go ahead and bring out the bands you made. So on the open side of the band, go ahead and fix it inside this folding that you've just made. Go ahead and fix it inside, like you see me doing, guys. Go ahead and fix it inside by 1 inch or half an inch, whatever you want. Fold it and then run a stitch to secure it right there. You can as well first use the pins to secure your bands inside that folding that you've just made. Do the same for the other side, guys. Place your band inside by 1 or half an inch, and then secure it with a pin. And do the same for the other one as well. I'm just repeating myself here, guys, like you see me doing. Go ahead and secure this with pins, and then after you go ahead and run a stitch from where you've put the pins, and then you go all around that folding that you've just made, guys. If you don't understand, guys, please ask me the questions. Run a stitch like you see me showing you guys, and do the same for the other side of the top. And so guys, that will mark the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Like, comment and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.